A very good morning, children. So, today in EVs, we are going to start a new lesson that is about food. Okay, mind needs food. So, everyone, that food is very, very important. Yes, for living, for doing any part of work, or doing your home fun. If you are not eating food properly or not, you will not get the proper energy. Yes, so you can't do your work in proper way or a proper time. So food is very essential in our life. Yes, children. So food plays a vital role in our life. So here we are going to see about food in this lesson. Then different food in different countries or states. So what they eat in different countries. In India, we eat different types of food. In other countries like America, China, they eat different types of food. And even India, there are many states, like 29 states are there. So we all are not eating same food. There is different taste, then different texture, the looking, the when you touch it or you look when you look, it is so different. Yes, so we will be seeing that. Then about importance of food, what we get from food. So if we drink milk, we get calcium. If we eat dal, we get protein. Yes, if we eat wheat and chapati and all, we get carbohydrates. Like that, some what we get from food, that we will learn. Then types of food. There are 3 types of food that we will be learning in this lesson. Then a healthy food and junk food. What is junk food, and what is the disadvantages of junk food? Disadvantage is, what are the bad things? If you or I eat junk food, what will happen to my health? So healthy food versus junk food. Yeah. Then respect and care for food. How we should take care of food? By not wasting the food. Yes, that is the one way we can care food. So simply we should not throw the food in the dustbin. Yeah. Then we will see the concept map and question time. Yeah. Shall we enter into the topic? Yes, good. Yeah, these are the foods. Some foods I have given here. So they all are smiling. Yes, you are also smiling at them. Yeah, good. Now we will start with an activity 3.1. It is in studio page number 31, children. Pawan and his family are having guest over. Guest over is Pawan and his family. India family. One guest is coming to visit them. Okay, to spend time with them. So the guests are going to stay with them for 3 days. So they are going to stay in your house also. The guest or relative will come and they will stay for 2 or 3 days. Yes, like that they are going to stay in Pawan's family for 3 days, since they are on a holiday, because it is a holiday. So the guest came to meet the Pawan's family. The family is busy deciding the menu for the different meals. Can you and your partner help them decide on a yummy menu? Fill in the table, figure 1. So for day 1, you have to plan for food, and day 2 and day 3. Yes, for day 1, what with your family members, you sit and discuss. And for day 1, what you can plan? Pawan's family, you are going to help Pawan's family. Day 1, for breakfast, what you will prepare? Then lunch, then snack, then dinner. So for example, for day 1, you can prepare like chapati and kurma. Yeah, and for breakfast. Then for lunch, you can give rice, sambar, potato fry. Then snack, you can give gulab jamun. Then for dinner, you can give rava dosa and sambar or chutney. For day 2, you can plan like idli sambar. So it different means the guest will be happy. Yes, different meals. Yes. Then fried rice and cauliflower fry, potato chips for snack. Then green gram dosa with chutney you can plan. Then for the third day, dosa and chutney, or you can puri and potato gravy you can plan. Then tamarind rice for lunch and mushroom fry. Kheer one day. Kheer is like a payasam. Yes, payasam one day. Then chapati tomato chutney. For the third day dinner you can plan. Like that, for planning you have to write it. We have to discuss with your mother. She cooks well, yes. So you can ask her what we can write, and we plan, and you help Pawan's family. Yes, children, will you? Yeah, good. So do you know babies food is different which we eat? Yeah, do you think that babies eat the same food as a 30-year-old old person? No, not at all. Yes, we eat chicken, mutton, like that. Then egg. A baby also eat egg, but not small babies. Yes, they only drink milk or some rice, mashed potatoes. Then rice cooked very well and very soft. That food only the baby eats. Yes, the baby's food is different from our food. 30-year-old age is totally different. Yeah. Yes, can you see this boss baby? Yeah. So next, yes, now we are going to see different states of food. You know there are 29 states in India. Yes, some states foods are given here. See, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, what they eat, Madhya Pradesh, Nagaland, Sikkim, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Yeah, in Tamil Nadu what we eat? Idli, dosa, sambar, then rice, appalam, payasam, rasam. Yes, we eat all these types of food in Tamil Nadu. So in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, what they eat? Puran poli, dal, then what else? They prepare potatoes they mostly use, and in Punjabs and all they used onion a lot. Yes, without onion there won't be any food. Even kacha onion they will eat. Kacha means without cooking they will eat. Raw onion they will eat. Yes, so there are different states, there are different varieties of food. Yes, we will see now different countries' food. Yay! Yeah, there are different countries' food like Thailand, then Mexico. Pizza is Italy. Then Greek salad and all. It is invented in Greece. Then this was a burger was USA. Yes, USA. Can you see the flag? Yeah, so different countries food. These are all different countries food. So can you see the difference? Indian food is totally different from other countries food. Yes, definitely. We are so traditional and they are so modern. Yeah, children. So people from different countries, regions, cultures and regions eat different food. The food eaten in North India is totally different. Yes, I told in north side that the food is in India. It's totally different. Like Himachal Pradesh. Can you see Himachal Pradesh? It is different. Can you see that? And in south side we are eating different. Maharashtra, they eat most of the time easily. They prepare puran poli and they eat the karanjas, then shankar pali, like the different foods they prepare. This is different countries food. Yes, yeah. Now different taste and texture. Yes, there are in Tamil also they say, yes, arusuvai. You know, yes, there are 6 tastes in a food. So like sweet, sour, pulip, sour, then bitter, kasap. Yeah, then what we say, spicy. Yeah, spicy, salty, like that. Some different taste, 6 tastes are there. Okay, here it is given: sweet, sour, pungent, then astringent, bitter, salty. So these are the 6 tastes. There are different types of taste in different food. Yeah, mommy also prepares yummy food. Sometimes you will say, mommy, very nice, it is super, it is very sweet. If sometimes little bit karam, she will put, amma, very karam, please give me some of the food. Yeah, all the taste you should eat and see, children. You should not say, no mommy, I don't want this, no mommy, I don't want. No, you should not say. In every food, every vegetable, there is a nutrients contained in it. So every food is important to eat. So we should not skip any of the food, and you should not skip the breakfast or dinner or lunch or snack. You should not miss the food. Yes, because if one time also you miss it, your health issues will be more. You will suffer. Yeah, you will get the stomach, then fever, like that. So you should eat vegetables more. Yeah, children. Now, texture. What do you mean by texture? Yes, when you see this bread, it is different. When you touch also, it is different. When you see that, it also different. Then katai, hard. It is hard. Texture, it is soft bread. Yes, this is moist. Moist is in cake you can see some watery. It will be like solid as well as watery. So moist like. Then crispy. When you prepare tomato chips, potato chips, it is crispy when you bite it. Yes, and it's crispy. Then smooth. Smooth like jam or jelly, like will be smooth and you will eat, right? Then goozy. When you see gulab jamun and all, or rasgulla, yes, when you see that is gooey, not goozy, okay, gooey. So these are the texture and different taste of food. Yes, children, can you tell me one example for yes, we saw different taste and texture. Yes. Now we will do activity 3.2. It is in studio page number 33. Okay, children. So it is a think and ink activity. People eat different foods based on their age, cuisine, culture, and personal choices. Yes, people eat based on their age. I told baby he or she will eat different types of food. Then you in second standard, you eat different types of food. Your grandfather, your mother and father, yes, they will have according to their age. Then about their culture is like different religion. In Tamil Nadu it is different, then in Maharashtra it is different. Yes, they are all different, they are eating different foods. So now we see, with the help of your family, talk to various people. For example, a person from any other Indian state or a different country, an elderly person, a mother with an infant. Infant is a baby, small baby. You can talk to your classmate. Yes, your classmate, a middle-aged man. You can talk to all of them. Yes, you can talk to them. Then fill in the table in figure 3. In figure 3, you're going to fill it. Like, you have to write the age of the person in the first column. Yes, if it is a mother with an infant, her age is 30. You have to write 30. Then native place, from where she is. In Tamil Nadu, for example, she is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so native place, like you can write Tamil Nadu, Chennai you can write. Foods that are eaten, what food she is eating. Like she is having a baby, so what food she is eating. She might be eating different food. Yeah, so that food you have to write it here. Then reasons for eating those food. Why she is eating that food? Because she might like, or because it will be healthy, like that. So in the second column, another person you are asking about what you are eating. Yes, so you can ask a neighbor. A North Indian neighbor is staying by side, like a neighbor. So you can ask that person. So his or her age is, for example, 60. Okay. Then you have to write which native place. For example, he is from Mumbai. So you have to write Mumbai. Foods that are eaten, you can write Puran Poli. Like that you can write. Then reason for eating those food. Why is eating? Because that is the their state food, so we are eating that. Otherwise it is very sweet, so we are eating that food. So like that reason also you have to ask. And some will say it is very nutritious, it is very healthy, so we are eating that food. So you have to ask that person, a particular person or neighbor or any other. Your grandfather also, you can ask a question. He will be eating different types of food. So age of the person, native place, then foods that are eaten, what food they are eating, and why they are eating those food. Okay, reason also you have to ask. Yeah, good. Importance of food, children. What are the importance of food? Why food is important? Because food contains many things that help us grow and stay healthy. Very true. These things are called nutrients. What are they called? They are called nutrients. Yes, food contains many things that help us grow. Yes, day by day you are growing. Can you see your height wise you are growing? Your look is when you were baby, how you very small and tiny legs, tiny hands. Yes, you were not able to walk. After eating food, mommy gives you food, healthy food, milk and all, you became strong and you have started growing. Yeah, now you are in second standard. Yes, so in every food there is a nutrients like minerals. Yes, in fruits and vegetables you can see minerals, then vitamins. Yeah, in then carbohydrates, protein, fat. Yes, these are all important nutrients in food. So we should not skip food. We should not say I don't want this, I don't want that. No, you should eat. You will stay strong and you will grow and you will fastly go to the third standard. Yeah, you want to go to third standard, right? Yes, by the end of this year, and after that you will grow up. Then next year you will be in third standard. So you have to eat well, study well. Yeah, then if you are eating well, then only you can do your work properly. Yes, so food plays a vital role in our life. Yes, so you can do different activities when you like jumping, playing. Yes, you are jumping now, you are sitting in home and you're jumping on the bed, you're going there, running there, mommy is also running behind you. Yes, it is happening in all the home. In our home also it is happening. Yes, so you need for running, jumping, dancing, you need some energy. So what gives energy? Food only gives energy. So you have to eat the food and you have to stay strong enough. Yes, children. Yeah, now we will see. Yay, you're going to match the food. Very nice. Yes. Now can you see here? Here some fruits and some milk like that have given. Fruits are given. Here what we get from this? Yes, from grapes, that is grape wine. Yes. Now what we get from this? Rice, bread. Yes, bread. So like that you have to match it. Milk, with milk we can make a butter or paneer, like that. So you have to answer to your parents. Okay, how you have to match it? Answer is waiting for you. Yes. Yeah, so I told different types of food. Yes, first one is we are going to see is energy giving food. Energy giving foods. See here, energy giving food is example like eggs, chicken, lean beef, fish, soya beans, then quinoa seeds, milk, cottage seeds, oysters, almonds. Yes, these are all energy giving food, children. So bread, underground vegetables, nuts, pulses, cereals, these are all energy giving foods. Sugar, yes, sugar also. Then so energy, what do you mean by energy? Energy, see, boost is a secret of my energy, Sachin Tendulkar says. Like, what is energy? So he's drinking that boost, so he's energy. Like that, food, if you will eat, you will get energy from the food and you will be strong and you can play cricket like Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, so energy giving foods, or these are all energy giving foods. So why we should eat energy giving food? To work properly, to play, to do all the activities, and proper functioning of organ. What is organ, children? Organ is like sense organs we saw now. Yes, for sense, not only sense organs, like hand. Why we need hand? For writing. Yes. Why we need legs? For walking. Why we need eyes? For seeing. Yes, we need all these organs to do our daily work. If we are not eating, these organs will not work. You can't see properly. If you are not eating carrots, if you will not see properly, you can't write properly. Yes, if you are not eating properly or not drinking milk, you can't walk properly, you can't dance, run. Yes, so food is very, very important, children. Again and again I am repeating, food is very, very important in our life. So you should not skip the food. Yes, so butter, ghee, as I said, butter, can you see butter, ghee, cheese and all, also energy giving food. These are all fatty foods. It increases your fat. Yes, fatty food. Some children are very, very lean, so they can eat these foods, cheese, butter, like fatty foods. They can increase your weight. Yes, children. Yeah. Now we saw energy giving food. Now Pawan is saying something. We will see that. I love cheese, so I can eat a lot of it. Pawan likes cheese. Yeah, some children also like cheese. Yes, children. Okay. Father, yes, do eat. But not too much. You should not eat too much cheese. People who eat lots of fatty foods may become overweight. I don't know, it increases the weight. If you need weight, if you have to increase weight, you can add a little bit in your food. Yes, children. Good. Energy giving food. Example I told: cereals, pulses, nuts, underground vegetables, bread, milk products, and sugar, and butter, ghee, cheese, and oil. These are all energy giving food. Yes, next is protection giving food. Protection. What do you mean by protecting? Yes, it is protecting. It is like if you are why the house is having the roof, why it is having the ceiling? Why, children? Yeah, it is protecting us from rain, sun, then wind. Yes, it is protecting us from rain, sun and wind. So we are having roof. Like that, in food also we have some protection giving food. So how it is protecting us? Can you tell me? Yes, it is fighting with the diseases. If we eat the protection giving food, disease will not attack us. It will not attack us. It will run away from us. Yeah, he is eating protection giving food. We will run from here. Oh, I will not see him. I will not come into his body. I will not go into the body. He will run away. It will run away. Yes. So you should eat protection giving food. So main protection giving food is leafy vegetable, children. Keera. In Tamil they will say keera. Most of the children, they hate keera. Yeah. No, you should not do, because keera, that leafy vegetable, is very, very important in our daily diet. Yes, at least in daily you are not eating. At least you can eat for in a week you can eat 2 to 3 days. Yes, 2 to 3 days you can eat leafy vegetables. So leafy vegetables plays a very, very, very important role in protection giving in our body, for our health. Vegetables, yes, vegetables daily you have to add one or the vegetables like carrot, beans, potatoes, then tomatoes also is good for skin. Yes, so you have to eat protection giving food. It fight against diseases. Yes, children, it fight against diseases. So leafy vegetables you have to eat, children. mummy will prepare, like she will prepare like different in leafy vegetables also we can prepare in a different variety. So you have, like she will prepare and she will give at least, not much, you can eat little bit, so you can fight against diseases. Yes, you ask your mother, mommy give me leafy vegetable, I will eat, mommy give me, prepare this vegetable, this gravy and that gravy, and you eat and you became strong. Okay children, will you listen to me? Yes. Yeah. Next is activity 3.3 we are going to see now. It is in page number 36. Yes. Now Pavan comes home and informs his parents that health day is being observed at school. Yeah. Now some function, yes, some day is going to come, yes, in his school, like health day is being observed at school, and he would like to take part in a slogan contest that the school is organizing. Now in their school, for example in our school, in Cambridge school, we are organizing like health day. Yes, health day. So you are going to write a slogan for it. For health day you have to write a slogan like for example I can say, eat healthy, be healthy. Yes, eat good, feel good and look good. Yes, and like we say now for saving the water, save earth, like that slogan you have to write it in the space given. He is supposed to create a slogan that goes with a poster given in figure 7. Help Pavan think of a good slogan. So poster is given there in your studio, page number 36. You can see that poster and you have to write a slogan, healthy slogan. Yes children, will you do that? Yeah, you discuss with your parents, you can write. So example I told, no, eat healthy, be healthy, eat good, feel good and look good. Yes children, so like you have to write a slogan for our school health day. Yes. Yeah, now, yeah, very yummy activity you're going to prepare. You're going to cook children without fire. Yes. Companion activity 3A. It is in page number 7. Yeah. With the help of an adult is your mom, dad, your brother, sister or grandfather, grandmother, make your own fruit salad. You're going to prepare a salad children. Yes, without fire. It is without fire. Ingredients is what are going to you have, what are things you wanted to prepare that particular dish. Yes, like you need 2 bananas, 12 green grapes, 1 apple, 1 guava, then 4 spoons of honey. These are the ingredients you're going to use it for your dish, for preparing a dish. So method is given how you're going to prepare that dish. Yes, how you're going to prepare that salad. Ask an adult to slice the fruits into small pieces. Yes, as you are a children, you should not use knife. So a mother, your father, she can sit or he can sit with you, and they have to slices that you cut into small pieces. The fruits you have to cut it into small pieces for preparing a bowl of salad. Yes, so cutting is ready. Now first method is over. Now put them in a bowl. So you can see the bowl children. Yes, it is. You have to put it in the bowl. Now pour is you have to pour some honey. Yes, pour in 4 spoonful of honey in the bowl. Yes, you have to pour the honey into the bowl and mix it. Mix well using a spoon. Yes, you have to mix it well with the fruits and honey. Yeah, very sweet. Yes, you have to do it. Then your fruit salad is ready now. Enjoy. Yay. Yes, fruit salad is ready. Why do you think honey is added? Why children? fruits are it is when you are eating raw, it is always sweet. Banana, apple, grapes, and it is sweet, but we are adding more honey to it. Why? That's your answer. You have to write it. Okay, so I will see the answers. I'm waiting for your answers, children. Yes. So now this is the fruit salad you're going to prepare without fire with the help of an adult for cutting the fruits. Yes, so you send a picture of your bowl of salad. I will see. Okay, take a photograph of it, prepare it, and take a photograph of it and send it to me. Okay, children, I will correct it. I will also enjoy by seeing the photo. Yes, I can't eat, but I will enjoy your fruit salad. Yes, enjoy this activity, children, with your family members. Yes, have a good family time. Yeah, next. Yes, it's a classwork writing. What you're going to write it in the classwork CW. Lesson 3, children, my needs food. New words you're going to write. That is breakfast, we will eat in the morning. Lunch, we will eat in the afternoon. Dinner, we will eat in the night. Snack, we will eat in evening time or morning also. Then culture is I told in different state different food is there. They're following different like different festival we are celebrating in each state, right? Like that we have different types of food also in different state. So that is the culture. Then region, yes, all said. Then salad, wastage, we should not waste food. Infant is a baby, small baby. Religion, I told region is different, religion is different. Religion is Hindu, Muslim, like that. That is religion. Okay, children, region is that an area, particular area. Yeah. So these are the new words. You are going to write it in the classwork. Then next, who am I? Who am I? You have to write it in the classwork, children. That is the second Roman letter. I am a nut grown in a bean shape. Bean shape, it looks like a bean shape. It is a nut that forms under an apple like fruit. Who am I? An apple like fruit, looks like an apple like fruit, and it is like bean like shape. That is cashew. Yes, cashew nut. We say no, cashew nut. Mundri parupu. Yes, cashew nut. We use in payasam and all, and kesari. When you prepare kesari and all, we use that cashew nuts. Yes, children, that cashew nut is very healthy. You can eat. Yes, this is the all about classwork writing. Write neatly, children. New Roman letter. Again and again I am repeating. New Roman letter should be new page. If you are writing new words in one page, if there is space also, no, don't write. Take new page for writing. Who am I? Who am I? Only one is there. Space will be there. Yes, definitely space. No, don't write the question answer same page. No, next page you take it, new page, and write the new Roman letter. Yes, new Roman letter should be in new page. Thank you, children. Yes, this is the home fun. You have to complete studio activity 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. It is in page number 31 to 36. Then companion activity, yummy activity. You are going to prepare salad 3A, page number 7. Classwork writing, lesson 3, new words and who am I, 1 and 2. Roman letter 1 and 2 you have to write in classwork. Then weekly test is lesson 2, studio question time. Question time, page number 30. Fill-ups and true or false you have to study for the weekly test. Lesson 2, studio question time, page number 30. Fill-ups and true or false. Yes, children. Yeah, this is the food matching. We saw grapes, grape wine. Then orange juice. Pomegranate juice. Then plums, plum cake. Milk, butter. Then this is wheat. Yes, wheat bread. Yes, children. Yeah, this is the matching. What with this what we get? That is we get. This all things we get from these fruits, vegetables, milk. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, baby is sitting. See, it is saying thank you. The infant is sitting. Thank you. I am also saying thank you for your wonderful time. Thank you, children. Study well, eat healthy, be strong. Okay, and complete your work on time. Bye. 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 Thank you, children.